Use a stick on. This is black. Then and dark gray shorts with white socks. So we got this. This is a water bottle that we got for. They had Arcs, Play-Doh, orange, green and purple. Okay, this was not in the list. Arthur just got it because the stationery in it. Okay, these are the paints, the poster paints, 12 colors. This is a glue stick. Okay, some more sharpener, and these are the things that we got overall for Arthur's school. Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, today I will be unpacking Arthur's school supplies which we got from the shop, his uniform, things that we got from the shoe shop and from the stationery shop. So this all I am going to unpack and I'm going to show you guys. So before I begin this video, I would request all my viewers who are watching this video to please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the bell button, so that in future you can get more and more videos like this. So stay tuned, and without wasting time, please go and subscribe to this channel. So friends, we will be unboxing Arthur's shoes that we got from the shop. We got for him two shoes. One is in black and the other is in white. So basically the black shoes he has to wear it daily to school. And the white shoes he has to wear it basically when he has PT. So for a regular wear he has to wear a black stick-on shoes. And for PT he has to wear a white stick-on shoes. So we got for him two shoes which we will be unpacking, and as you can see that this is the black shoe that I'm talking about. It's a stick-on shoe. And now I am going to show you the PT shoes. This is a PT shoe. This is also a stick-on, because for younger kids they usually use stick-on shoes for the kids, so that it's easy for them to remove it when they have PT classes, any exercise or something. So these two shoes costed us rupees 8,000 rupees. So we got the uniform, and according to the requirement of the school, the boy has to wear a white shirt with grey shorts. So we got this for Arthur according to the school rules. As you can see that this is a white shirt and the grey shorts. Basically I think that the short is going to be a bit long for Arthur, so we have to tailor it, but we'll do that later. And apart from that he has to wear white socks with it. So we got all these things from the shop. So this uniform, the shirt, the grey shorts, the socks, it costed us rupees 3,000 rupees. And as you can see that it's fine. I mean, like the uniform is looking pretty good. I mean, it's going to be the first time that he's going to wear. So friends, now comes the things, the items that the school have asked. So we got all these. So I'm going to show you one by one. First we got this bag. This is a blue bag that we got for him. This is a water bottle that we got for him. Now comes the stationery. I got this chart, white chart, as it was mentioned in the list. This is a Play-Doh. Second Play-Doh of different colors they have asked. They had Arcs, Play-Doh, orange, green and purple. Okay, this was not in the list. Arthur just got it because he really wanting this glasses. He saw, so he was got crazy, so he got this for him. So friends, abhi aata hai the most important packet where you'll find all the things. Okay, ये मैं लेके आई हूँ आतर के लिए. This is a pencil case where he's going to put all the pencils, all the stationery in it. Okay, Okay, these are the paints, the poster paints, 12 colors. This is a glue stick, pencils, and rubber. Okay, this is a crepe paper, asked in blue. Okay, this is color pencils, I guess so. Yes, this is color pencils. Okay, this is glue stick. Okay, some more sharpener and rubber. Scissor, sharpener, rubber. Okay, this is printing papers, they have asked. So here, okay, this is a brush, and this is, sorry, this is rubber, not brush, I'm so sorry. And this is the paintbrush. This is the book, the course book that they're going to study in kindergarten. These are the ORT books. So friends, the list is completed. As you can see, we got everything. And just imagine that how much this all costed us, because बच्चे को जो चीज़ लेके आना होता है ना स्कूल के लिए, it is very expensive. Although my child is too small and he's only in kindergarten, but just imagine that this whole thing costed us, just leaving the shoes, the other, his stationery, his book, the bag, water bottle and everything, it costed us around about 13 to 14,000. Apart from that, the shoes that we got from Bata, that costed us 6,500, round about 7,000 you can make. So my motive of you telling the budget, telling you the cost of these things that we got, is so that you can keep things in your mind that now things are got very very expensive. When we were in school, things were not that expensive, but now since the time is passing and everything is getting more expensive. So ये चीज़ें हम लोग लेके आए हैं आर्थर के लिए. And in the morning we got his copies from the school, that most probably you will see in my vlog. I'm going to show you that too. So this is the things that we got for him, and we are very very happy that we got everything for him. So friends, I hope that you like this video. So friends, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.